The Boya Omnidirectional microphone. This one is for you to get because it is cheap, it is small, and you can do a lot of stuff with it. It comes in a very small package. Now, the actual mic, the sound is very good, and it fits right on my phone. It also comes with this soundproof instrument that you can use to put it on here so it doesn't make all this sound. For example, as is right now, it's more likely to have tapping that could be actually translate into it if you tap accidentally on it. Also, it picks up all kinds of noises from the side and everything else as well, and that could be an issue. But this is a very good solution for it. You just put it in and it makes it pretty much, it doesn't have all those external noises to it. I do like this addition. Usually you have to pay extra for it, and for 40 bucks you get an awesome mic for you to use. Another good thing about this is that it easily plugs in. It's not much of an issue when it plugs in, even with a phone case right on here. As you can see, this has a phone case and it is plugged in. It also moves up and down for you to capture the sounds, and that's something I really like about this, and it can move just in this direction. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any more movement than this. For 40 bucks, the sound is very good, the quality is awesome, and you get a very good thing that you can do for it. So for 40, it is a great deal compared to other mics. The downside of it is, first of all, it feels pretty cheap. It is really lightweight, and that's basically the actual downside. The plus, it is extremely cheap in price as well, so you get what you pay for, and it comes with this soundproof right here that you can put on here, which muffles the sound, and I do like this a lot, that it is included. Now, definitely you can get a lot better things for the money that you spend, but you have to pay much more to get a decent mic like this. Now, I have not tested this for more than a month or two, so I can't say how long this thing is going to work for. I assume that this should work for quite some time, because it looks like good quality constructed mic altogether. Should you get one of those? I think yes. For me, it makes such a big difference having this. It's easy to plug in. It doesn't go ahead and have issues when you stick this into your phone case, and it is decent looking as well. So you can see how it goes with the phone, how it actually looks like, and I do think, and I do suggest for you to consider getting one of those. The issues I find with this is pretty much the limited ability for this to move. As you can see, it only moves this way and then it gets stuck. It can't move any more than this. And when you move it up, it can only move so much right here. Of course, now solution to this, you can just flip this over and put it this way in case you actually need to. You can also stick this in if you want to put it in as well. There is no other issues I have with it. I believe you're getting a pretty decent deal for what it is, and for 40 bucks you can't actually go wrong with something this size, shape, and of course for the quality you get, this is definitely worth it.